In this example, we will explain how to change the color of a box that you already calculated. The first step is to run Quick Palette Maker. Next, we will open a new datasheet starting from primary package. In this case, our default units are inches, so we will select a 48 by 40 pallet. We will leave the default dimensions and default package type. Click on Tools to calculate, and we obtain a list of boxes and pallets. So for example, if we wanted to change the color of this box, we just click it with the right button and choose color. Just select any color and change it. Automatically, the box color will change, and when we click on the palette, it will refresh and show the new color. We go to Window, Detailed Report, and we can have our view of the box and the palette itself. Different views are available, or just a summary.